Welcome to MarineMax. My name is Larry Vogt, and today we're going to take a look at this beautiful 2024 Scout 245 Dorado. This is a dual console that has some of the most beautiful styling that you've ever seen in this style boat. First, where I'm sitting out here is this nice swim platform, so when you're at the sandbar, there's plenty of room out here in the back for people to get on and off the boat. And as you can see, we've got some really cool cockpit seating inside the boat that converts easily to get out of your way by folding these benches in and opening up the cockpit space. This backrest here lifts up, now faces forward. So this is a really functional design in this 245 Dorado. As we look forward, you'll see a really cool windshield. You don't see any boat out there on the market that is designed like this with a fiberglass frame windshield. It's very stylish, extremely durable, sporty, and gives this Scout Dorado a really unique look. So let's take a look forward here at the helm area and go through some of the features on this boat. So we've got a Garmin touchscreen GPS sonar system that also can link to your engine data as well. We still have a Mercury vessel view here. And one of the coolest things about this boat in terms of the handling is this boat is equipped with Seakeeper Ride. That is a self-leveling trim tab system that makes any boat ride perfectly every single time, no matter what the conditions are. That's a great feature on this Scout. We've got digital controls, so we've got electronic shift and power steering. Very easy boat to drive and handle. The boat has a nice Fusion stereo system, so you've got great tunes. We've got a Yeti cooler that slides out on a bracket, so it's easy access with a freshwater sink on top and a countertop as well. Let's take a look here as we walk through this windshield. You've got a nice bow area with very deep, comfortable seating. Very safe and secure when you're running the boat. We've got JL audio speakers throughout, which are the best in marine speakers, and this boat has a windlass with a stainless steel anchor as well. Makes it really easy at the sandbar. A couple of armrests for your passengers up front. It doesn't get any better than this. Give us a call at 904-545-5310 and let's set up a sea trial on this boat.